We're going up. Machine has 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, 20 of Z, a BT40 spindle. Machine is equipped with Renishaw touch and tool probe, whips, which is called wireless intuitive probing system. That's 4,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM, machine's nice and quiet. So the control and the machine has rigid tapping, rotation and scaling, quick code, spindle orientation, high-speed machining, user-defined macros, visual part program. We're simulating a tool change. There you go. It's a 24 side mount ATC. Again, it takes BT tooling. He's running the X. You have telescopic weight covers, all axes. Machine also has a programmable coolant nozzle and a coolant system. And a multi-auger chip removal system. All the axes are quiet. Now he's running the Z, he just ran the Y a moment ago.